To my future employer, hello, good day. I am Merlin Mateo, 42 years old. I am from the Philippines. I am single parent. I have two daughters, ages 21 and 12 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am a former domestic helper in Lebanon for 5 years, and my main duties are taking care of the disabled old man. He is 85 years old, and also do the house chores as well. I am also a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years, and my duties are taking care of a newborn baby and also doing the house cleaning, laundry, ironing, and cooking. And I also work in Qatar for 2 years, and my duties are taking care of the children and also do the house chores. With my personality, I am trustworthy, reliable, honest, energetic, and proactive. If you choose to become part of your family, I will take care and love your children as my own. And that is all. Thank you and God bless.